Hi friends, this video shows how to disconnect Jio set-top box from Wi-Fi network. First go to settings, select settings icon from top, go to network. Here you can see I have connected this Jio set-top box to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2025. So I am going to disconnect from this Wi-Fi 2025. Set Wi-Fi, then set Wi-Fi 2025. You can see it's already connected. I am going to disconnect, set Wi-Fi 2025, then select forget network. Select this first option, forget network. Done. So now I have disconnected this Jio set-top box from Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2025. Later, if you want to reconnect, again come here, then set Wi-Fi 2025 from Wi-Fi list. Now it's asking for the password. We have to enter the password of the Wi-Fi 2025 here. Okay, I have entered the password. Set OK. Okay, it's connected. So this way we can disconnect and reconnect to a Wi-Fi network. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.